Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Stacy from Phineas and Ferb on Dress to Impress. So it's actually super simple to do. I'm just going to select these bangs here and color it black. Select the straight hair and use this one in black as well. And then for the outfit, you don't need VIP for this, so that's good. Select the skirt. Color it this blue color, 657890. Select this top, no design, and color it this color, 588582. Select these socks in high striped and no feet and color it this blue here. Select the Mary Janes, select add socks and color the socks the same and color it in matte, like the material. And then I am going to use this bracelet here. Color it this color, 4E3864. And then for the bow, we are going to use a code item here, this one, in that same blue as the skirt. Then I'm just going to rotate it sideways because her bow is sideways. Move it up, and I'm just going to move it a little bit forwards here, to like where the neck is, I guess. Scale it down just a little. Move it to the left a little bit as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.